All right, looks like I'm recording. Stupid cow. Motocross life, guys. When you don't have bloody kickstands. Oh, you're hurting your bike. The oil's gonna get into the flux capacitor and blow up your bike in the next 30 seconds. Fuck off. Sup, guys? WRLT here, and I'm so sadly back at it again with another motovlog. My channel's dead, guys, let's admit it. My last motovlog got, I think, 30 views. I'm gonna kill myself because they used to get like 200. Alright, so this is the problem with YouTube's new platform. When you start uploading inconsistently and the smaller channels just don't get attention at all. Yep, look at my grip. Look at that. I broke my throttle tube in a stupid crash yesterday. YouTube's new platform. If you don't upload consistently, if you're not a big YouTuber anyway, you have very little chance of getting any views. You just don't show up. I have 270 subscribers. Yeah, pretty shit, but you know, it's enough. You know, you tell people and people go, oh, okay, you're not just some Minecraft channel with 30 subs and they're all your close friends. Yeah, so my last video that I uploaded, dang it, which one was that? Pretty sure the last one was an edit. And insert on screen my past car. Oh, this guy loves a wheelie. Hold on. I have ADHD, guys. I swear to God. Oh, different person. Never mind. Yeah, with my ADHD, I believe those two edits, I put a shit ton of effort into them. Those, you know, that's like my, you know, film at school style, you know. I worked for that, alright? And yeah, seeing it get, I think it's up to like 30 something views, that hurts, man. You know, I put a lot more effort into those edits. I mean, they're bloody good videos. They're, you know, they're good videos. It's not because, you know, I suck at editing. Fuck you, Ben. I know you're gonna say I am right now, but oh shit. It's slick as fuck. That's a mountain bike trail. Me and a bunch of mates built it. So you come in on that log and you drop down here, and then it's a shitty ass, I don't know, 2.5 meter tabletop. Yeah. And we have a skinny over here. I swear I have ADHD. And you ride up on this log. The cattle are bit in there, so they put hoof prints in it. That's hard ground. The cows just weigh a shit ton, alright? Excuse me? When did... Okay. Hey, side note, I'll see if I remember how to do polls. Do you guys want to see some mountain bike videos? Because I do mountain biking and everything. You know, most motorbike guys do, because it's a lot of fun, actually. Don't diss it, it is a lot of fun. So yeah, if you would like to see some... If you'd like to see some mountain bike edits, then yeah, I don't know, hit yes on the poll, like the video, I don't know, just an idea. That one's completely blown out, as you can see. That one's sketchy. And this one like cuts back in. Mess that one up. Yeah, nice false neutral bike, nice. Yes, I didn't use the clutch. I went through that in my last motovlog. It's fine. If you're on a Sierra F80 or, you know, I don't know, some shitty ass old bike, probably not the best idea to be full throttle and just banging it up into the next gear. If you have a motocross bike, you know, a newer, like, I don't know, a newer bike, it's fine. I swear to God I have ADHD. Yeah. My channel is like dead, guys, so I'm just doing it for fun at this stage. Honestly, you want to know what I've done all day? I woke up at 10 o'clock because I went to bed at 4 a.m. last night. So I woke up at 10 o'clock and the whole day, all I have done is binge watched Brooklyn Nine-Nine. I am not joking. I've been watching that shit non-stop all day. It's like 5 o'clock right now. It's weird actually seeing these guys. Like, they never show themselves. It's so weird. Show themselves is such a weird way to put that up. Sorry. Let's get hauling, boys. I love doing that, just hauling through that kind of stuff. It's so much fun. I had a few possible topics. My first one to talk about was how my channel is just dead. I had a few ideas. I was going to do a wheelie tutorial. I was going to do a whip tutorial. I was going to do a, what was the other thing? How to jump tutorial. As you can see, I suck at scrubbing. Not actually joking there, that was a terrible scrub. See, alright, I got this guy on my Instagram. I should not even care about this, but I kind of do at the moment, let's be honest. Alright, so I posted this thing on Instagram, if I can be bothered to get the photo, here it is. Basically showing how, you know, there's my track just there, and I would come up and you can see the tracks turning, so that line just there is straight and that line's turning. I'll like editing wizardry this, so you can see that line's turning, and it used to go basically where that line is, that's where it would finish, and you could see that my tire didn't touch from the top 2 feet because you know, I'm doing it good. You know, the bike's flat as I'm coming up over that, and then I quickly upright it and land. Only problem is that started to get like a straight edge, so instead of the rear end, you know, tracking out as you're going for the scrub, my rear end would get kind of jarred, so the bike just kind of stayed flat, and it did it twice in a row. And I did it again I don't know, a few days ago, and it keeps doing the same thing for me. So I need to get that flat, you know, get a shovel here or the tractor and just get rid of those ruts, because it hits that square edge and just the bike messes up in the air, like panic rev to hell, because you just can't do anything with the bike. So hey, you guys want to see some stoppies? Look at my shadow, right? I can do rolling stoppies, fuck you. Yeah, with the jumping, it's alright. I'm going off on so many tangents here, and I'm sorry, I don't have a solid topic for this video. But with jumping, it's all about your body positioning on the face of the jump. Whatever you're doing there will ow, fuck, that got me in the face. Will basically decide what happens to you and the bike in the air. So if you're hanging off the side of the bike like this, as you're going up over the face, there's a good chance you're going to go into like a scrub / whip thing, because you'll be able to pull the bike over or whatever. Alright, if you're all the way back here as you're going off a jump, you're probably going to go for a backflip, and unless you're trying to do that, something's going seriously wrong. And then there's the people who do this. God damn it, Josh Grant, I think. God damn it, please just chuck it up on the screen if I'm wrong. I love that. I love it. It's so steezy. Like, honestly, I love it, that style so much. I'll just overlay it on the screen, how the front end just dips. Instead of, you know, I don't know, any other style, I don't know, where the rear end, you know, your front end's high, and you're kind of up over the front of the bike, I don't know, like that. And yeah, so his style, and a few other riders who dip the front end. So next time I'm at a proper track, like I can do it on my jumps here. Next time I'm at a proper track, I want to get a steez edit going, you know, and just learn, you know, I already know how to do it. I'm going to freeze frame it. Look at his body positioning. That's all you have to do. Just be more forward than you normally would be. Yeah, anyway. Yeah, and if you're too far forward or too far back, the bike's going to go up or down, or so yeah, you just need to be aware of the jump and the lip and position yourself correctly for that. Every jump is going to require you to be on a different spot on the bike to stay level through the air, you know, to behave properly. Alright, so yeah, that's about what I can say about learning how to jump. I don't know how long this video is going to be. I might even split it up into segments just because I don't like long videos, although to be honest, most of the people that are watching my videos at the moment are pretty loyal anyway, so they'll sit and watch a longer video. So I don't know guys, just let me know what you want to see. Do you want to see more of the edits, or do you want to see more of the motovlog style, or me going to track days? Would you like to see Bam Mims mic'd up, you know, going to a track and being mic'd up? I think I've kind of been, oh my god, words dude. I've been wanting to do that for a while, just because I think that'd be pretty funny. Me just goofing around, chucking fat whips at a track and yeah, just not shutting up about it. I just got a bug in my eye and that thing is stinging. I really do not know what I was thinking about doing a wheelie tutorial. That's a video in itself. Just because, you know, to be able to do something like this. I haven't even touched my rear brake yet. There's the rear brake. Coasting it. Oh, dang it, I'm so like out of ideas at the moment. Like, there's no, I mean, leave in the comments if you'd like me to do any topic, whatever. Fuck. My front end was way too high then. And my camera's not recording. Alright, I'll just overlay this over and this will be my outro. So, yeah, my camera died, obviously. And, let me know in the comments anything you'd like me to see. Fuck, dude. Let me know anything you'd like me to see. Fuck, anything you'd like me to see. Do. No, I can't even words at the moment, man. I'm so sorry. So anything you'd like to see me do, just drop it in the comments below. Whether that's track days or anything like that. Just, yeah, let me know in the comments below. And, yeah, I'll make that the next video, guys. Alright, well, peace, guys.
I could take you there, but baby, you won't make it back. Growing sick of this, and I don't wanna make you sad. Do I make you scared, baby? Won't you take me back?